Exercise 11.2 question 1. Find the area of each of the following parallelogram. Sum A. Here parallelogram given. We can see that base is 7 cm and height is 4 cm. Therefore area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. That is equal to, what is our base? 7 cm, so 7 multiplied by height 4 cm, so 4, and unit will be centimeter square. 7 4s are 28 centimeter square. So area of parallelogram is 28 centimeter square, having base 7 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. Sum B. Here base is 5 centimeter, parallelogram side is base 5 centimeter and height is altitude, that is 3 centimeter. Here it is perpendicular, we can say that perpendicular also. So area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. What is base? 5 centimeter. So in the bracket 5 multiplied by height 3 centimeter, 5 multiplied by 3, bracket close, and unit centimeter square. 5 3s are 15 centimeter square. So area of parallelogram is 15 centimeter square. Sum C. Here base is 2.5 centimeter. As we know that side of parallelogram is our base and the perpendicular draw from opposite vertex to that side is our height. Base is 2.5 centimeter, height is 3.5 centimeter. Area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. Base is 2.5 multiplied by height is 3.5, bracket close, centimeter square is our unit. Now here these two numbers are decimal number, so we will do the multiplication of for decimal number. So this 2.5 we will write 25, and for 3.5 we will write 35. So 35 multiplied by 25, 5 5s are 25, here 2, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 17, here 0, 5 2s are 10, here 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 0 7, 1 plus 7 8. So it is 875. Now here, as we know that these are decimal numbers, so we can see that in 3.5 there is a 1 decimal place, so 1 dp. In 2.5 there is a 1 decimal place, so 1 dp. We have to add these 2 decimal places, 1 plus 1 2. So our answer will come in 2 decimal place. So here 875 will come in 2 decimal places. So before 7 we will put our decimal point. So therefore answer is 8.75 centimeter square. Next, sum D. Here our base is parallelogram side 5 centimeter and height is this perpendicular 4.8 centimeter. So therefore area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. Base is 5 centimeter, so 5 multiplied by height 4.8 centimeter, so 4.8, bracket close, and unit centimeter square. So here we will do the multiplication. So for 4.8 we will write 48 multiplied by 5. 8 5s are 40, 4 5s are 20 plus 4 24. So here we know that in 4.8 there is a 1 decimal place, and in 5 0 decimal place. 1 plus 0 1. So our answer will come in 1 decimal place. Therefore before 0 we will put decimal point. Therefore our answer is 24. So that is equal to 24 centimeter square. Next, sum E. Here base is 2 centimeter and height is 4.4 centimeter. Therefore area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. Base is 2 centimeter, in the bracket 2 multiplied by height 4.4, bracket close, and unit centimeter square. So here we will do the multiplication, decimal multiplication. So for 4.4 we will write 44 multiplied by 2. 44 2s are 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, so 88. In 44 it is 4.4, so we will write 1 decimal place, and in 2 0 decimal place, 1 plus 0, so 1. So our answer will come in 1 decimal place, and therefore before 8 is in unit place. Before 8 we will put decimal point. So therefore our answer is 8.8 8 centimeter square. Okay, next student, question number 2. Question number 2 is find the area of each of the following triangles. So sum A, here in sum triangle is given. In this triangle we know that same way as parallelogram, its side is our base. So this 4 centimeter is our base, and this dash line, it is height. So base is 4 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter, therefore area of triangle. What is area of triangle's formula? That is nothing but 1/2 base multiplied by height, and that is equal to 1/2. What is our base? 4 centimeter multiplied by height, that is 3 centimeter, and unit will be centimeter square. 4 3s are 12, 12 divided by 2 centimeter square, 2 1s are 2, and 2 6 are 12. So our answer will 6 centimeter square. Next sum B. Here base is given 5 centimeter and height is given 3.2 centimeter, and therefore area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base multiplied by height, and that is equal to 1/2 base is 5 centimeter. So here we will write 5 multiplied by height, that is 3.2, bracket close, and unit will be centimeter square. So now here we will do multiplication, as we know that this 3.2 is a decimal number, so we will convert 3.2 into 32 multiply by 5. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, plus 1 60. So here it is 3.2. So here there is how many decimal places are there? 1 decimal place, and in 5 0 decimal places are there. So therefore 1 plus 0, that is 1 decimal place. So our answer will come in 1 decimal place. Here's 160 there. So before 0 decimal point will come, and therefore our answer is 16.0, and we can write, we do not have to write 0, so here we can write directly only 16 divided by 2. Here 2 we do not have to forget. 16 divided by 2 centimeter square, as we know that 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So our answer is 8 centimeter square. So area of triangle is 8 centimeter square. Next C. Here there is a right angle triangle, and keep in mind in right angle triangle base and height are nothing but the triangle's side. So here base is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter, and therefore area of triangle is equal to, our formula is 1/2 base multiplied by height, and that is equal to 1/2. What is base? 3 multiplied by height 4, and unit will be centimeter square, and that is equal to 3 4s are 12. 12 divided by 2 centimeter square, and that is equal to 2 1s are 1, 2 6 are 12, and therefore answer is 6 centimeter square. Next sum D. Here obtuse angle triangle is given. This is obtuse angle, and in obtuse angle triangle height comes outside. So here this is height is given. So here this is our base 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter, and that is equal to, area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base multiplied by height. Our base is 3 centimeter multiplied by height is 2 centimeter, and our unit will be centimeter square for area. 3 2s are 6, 6 divided by 2 centimeter square, 2 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6. So our answer is 3 centimeter square. So obtuse triangle having base 3 centimeter and height 2 centimeter, area of triangle is 3 centimeter square. Question number 3. Find the missing value. So in this sum, out of these 3, base, height and area of parallelogram, value of 2 is given, and we have to find value of another one which value is not given. So for an example, if height and area of parallelogram given, we have to find the value of base. So therefore we will use this formula, that base is equal to area of parallelogram divided by height, and height is equal to n. In other sums, if value of base is given and value of parallelogram given, then we have to find height. So for that we will use this formula, height is equal to area of parallelogram divided by base. So sum A, here base is given 20 centimeter and area of parallelogram given, that is 246 centimeter square, and we have to find the value of height. So we will use this formula for height is equal to area of parallelogram divided by base. So here we will put the value. So here area of parallelogram is given 246 and divided by base is given 20. So here we will do the division. So here 246 divided by 20. 20 ones are 20. 24 minus 20, it is 4. And 6 will come down. 20 twos are 40. 46 minus 40, 6. Now 6 cannot be divided by 20. So here we will add 0. So here decimal point will come. 23s are 60. Our remainder is 0. So our answer is 12.3. So that is equal to 12.3. Keep in mind height comes in a unit. Which unit? Centimeter. Here centimeter is given base. So height will be also of a unit centimeter. So height is 12.3 centimeter. Next B. Here we have to find value of base and height, and area of parallelogram is given. Height is 15 centimeter. Area of parallelogram is 154.5 centimeter square. So here for base we will use this formula, area of parallelogram divided by height, and that is equal to area of parallelogram is 154.5 divided by height, that is 15. Now here keep in mind we cannot do division directly here. So what we will do? So here we will convert this decimal number 154.5 into a whole number. For that what we will do? First we will check how many decimal places are there. Here we can see that there is a 1 decimal place is there. After decimal point there is a 1 digit there. Therefore 1 decimal place. So here we will multiply this number with 10. Now keep in mind this is a fraction. So we have to multiply numerator with 10 and also denominator with 10. So that is equal to 154.5 multiplied by 10 divided by 15 multiplied by 10. So here our 154.5 multiplied by 10 becomes whole number, that is 1545 divided by 15 multiplied by 10, that is 150. So now we will divide this number. So here we will write 1545 divided by 150. We don't know the table of 150, but we know the table of 15. 15 ones are 15. So 150 ones are 150. 154. 150 ones are 150. 154 minus 150, that is 4. And here 5 will come down here. Now keep in mind that 45 cannot be divided by 150. So here we will put 0. After here we will add 0. And therefore here decimal point will come 150. We know that 15 3s are 45. So 150 3s are 450. So what the answer we got? That is 10.3. So when we divide 1545 divided by 150, we will get the answer 10.3. And what is the unit of base? That is centimeter. Next sum C. Here height is given 8.4 centimeter, area of parallelogram is given 48.72 centimeter square, and we have to find the value of base. So that's why we will use formula for base, that is equal to area of parallelogram divided by height. What is area of parallelogram? It is 48.72 divided by what is height? That is 8.4. Now here we have to do this division. Before we can do this division, what we will do? We will convert these two numbers into whole numbers. As here we can see that is numerator has more decimal places. How many? 2 decimal places. So here we will multiply this number with 100. Now keep in mind whatever we multiply in numerator, that same thing we have to multiply in denominator. So that is equal to 48.72 multiplied by 100 divided by 8.4 multiplied by 100. So here for 48.72 multiplied by 100, it is 4872 divided by 8.4 multiplied by 100, it is 840. Now here 4872 we have to divide it by 840. Here it is too lengthy and it is too difficult to divide, so what we will do, we will reduce these numbers. So reduce this numerator and denominator, we will use divisibility test. Here we can see that in numerator last digit is 2 and in denominator last digit is 0, so that's why this two number is divisible by 2. Now what about 3? So these two numbers are divisible by 3, so therefore what we will do, we will add these digits of this number, that is nothing but for 4872 we will add its digits, that is 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2, and that is what, 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 2 that is 21, and of course we know that 21 is divisible by 3 and therefore 4872 is divisible by 3. So now for other number, that is 840, so same way 8 plus 4 plus 0, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 0 12. So of course also 12 is also divisible by 3, so that's why these two numbers are divisible by 3. Now what about 6? As we know that for 6, if number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 6, so that's why this number is divisible by 6. So we will divide this two number with 6, so we will reduce these numbers and our simplification will be easy. So here 4872 divided by 6, then division sign, 840 division sign, 6. So first we will divide our numerator, 4872 divided by 6, as we know that 6 8s are 48, 48 minus 48 0, this 7 will come down, 6 1s are 6, 7 minus 6 1, this 2 will come down, 6 2s are 12, 12 minus 12 0. So here what is answer? Answer is 812. So here 812 will come, and afterwards we have to divide 840 by 6. The same way 840 by 6, 6 1s are 6, 8 minus 6 2, then 4 will come down, 6 4s are 24, here 0, this 0 will come directly, so here what is the answer? 140. So now here we can do this division easily. So here we will do the division, 812 divided by 140. So here we will use table for 14. As we know that 14 5s are 70, so 140 5s are 700. 812 minus 700, it is 112. Also we know that 14 8s are 112, but here keep in mind that this 112 cannot be divided by 140, so here we have to add 0. Now so here we have to put decimal point, and of course we know that 14 8s are 112, so 148s are 1120, so here our remainder is 0. So what is the answer? 812 divided by 140, it is 5.8, so that is equal to 5.8. 5.8, and what is unit? That is centimeter. So here we found the base, 5.8 centimeter. Now next D, here base is given 15.6 centimeter and area of parallelogram is given, that is 16.38 centimeter square, and we have to find height. So here we will use formula for height, that is equal to area of parallelogram divided by base, that is equal to area of parallelogram 16.38 divided by base, that is 15.6. Same way here we will do, here we will multiply by 100 in numerator and denominator. 16.38 multiplied by 100 divided by 15.6 multiplied by 100. So here our this decimal number will convert into whole number, that is 1638 divided by 1560. 15.6 multiplied by 100, it is 1560. Now here these two numbers are too big, and if we divide this number it will be complicated. So what we will do, we will reduce this number. Similarly we will reduce this number, as we can see that here digit is 8, last digit is 8, and it is even number, and here last digit is 0. So that's why these two numbers are divisible by 2. Now what about 3? So here for that we will do similar thing what we have done earlier, that is 1 6 3 8, and here 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 8 18. So here we know that this 18 is divisible by 3. So that's why this number 1638 is divisible by 3. Now what about this denominator, that is 1560? 1560. So here we will do 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 0. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 0 12, and of course 12 is also divisible by 3. So that's why these two numbers are divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, and that's why they are divisible by 6. So here we will reduce this number 1638 divided by 6, then division 1560, division sign 6. So here we will do this division. It is simple, so we can do easily. 1638 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12, 16 minus 12 4. We will come down 43 there, so 6 7s are 42, 43 minus 42 1. So 8 will come down, and here 6 3s are 18. So what is the answer? 273. So that is equal to 273 divided by, now we have to do this division also. 1560 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12, 15 minus 12, that is 3. 6 will come down, 6 6 are 36. So here remainder 0, and this 0 will come up. So what is the answer? That is 260. Now we can do this division easily. So here we will do this division. 273 divided by 260. Here we will use table for 26. As we know that 26 ones are 26. So 260 ones are 260. 273 minus 260, it is 13. And here this 13 cannot be divided by 260. So here what we will add? So here we will add 0 again. So when we add 0, so here point will come, decimal point. Again 130 cannot be divided by 260. So here we will add again 0. So this 0 we have to add here. So now we know that 26 5s are 130. So 260 5s are 1300. 1300 minus 1300, that is 0. So our answer is 273 divided by 260 is 1.05. And this is our height, and height is in unit centimeter. So here we found our height, that is equal to 1.05 centimeter.